Okay. Hello everyone, Zaid Alma here. How's everyone? Hope you're doing well. My mask back on. I'm here today with Paseka, who's going to demonstrate to us how you can save 70% of water from your toilet through using his new invention. Alright. Hi Paseka.
Greetings Zaid and everyone who is watching. How are you?
Great stuff, thanks man. And tell me, I decided to say, look, let me have an interview with you because what you just showed me is so brilliant, and let me take this off. And I think you can, you can save so much money for a lot of people, but also we need to save water as well. So just tell us a bit more about what you've got.
Okay, thank you very much Zaid. So for our audience who are not aware, a leaking toilet can waste anything between 30 to 700 liters of water per day. And toilets inevitably leak. It's not a matter of if yours leaks, it's a matter of when it will leak. Now that being said, 700 liters of water is like 7 bathtubs full of water. Now the problem is, when water comes in, the water level rises. When it's at this point, we would like to believe that it has stopped. But in the instance of the inevitable leak, it actually fluctuates. And because the water pressure is constant, so is the water flow. So the water then keeps flowing into the pan, and the valve is of the impression that it's a flush. So it keeps letting the water in. And that's when you hear that annoying hissing sound. That hissing sound represents a loss of water, if not a leak that has been occurring for at least 6 months. By the time you see that yellowish grayish mark, your toilet has been leaking for at least 12 months. So the louder the leak, the bigger the leak. The darker the mark, the longer the leak. But that is a thing of the past, because we used to have such a problem as well at my house, and now I invented the leakless valve. The leakless valve is a patented technology, proudly South African, and this is how it operates. Looking at this portion over here, it's diagonal. The water level would rise, then it would lock. In this position, it is horizontal, it has locked, and the ball float is independent of the locking mechanism. When you flush, it unlocks. Lock, unlock, lock, unlock. So the difference between this and this is a saving of up to 70%.
Okay, but so just explain that again. Just show me again how that works. Lock and unlock, and
Okay.
what is the benefit of locking it first?
Okay, so the benefit of locking is that first and foremost, so the water would come in and the water level would rise and it becomes horizontal. When it's in this position, it has locked. The purpose of locking is so that we prohibit or we stop the influx of water. Remember that this valve is of the impression that a leak is a flush. So if a leak is a flush, it has to continuously refill the toilet tank, the cistern.
Okay.
So in this instance, it has detected the leak. It does not refill the cistern, so you save water. So let's think of it this way.
Just double locking mechanism. Okay.
Exactly. So let's think of it this way. If you were to go away for a month, okay, away from your home, or let's say 20 days, with this in place, water will constantly flow. When you come back, you get a water bill, and then first thing that comes to your mind is this municipality or this body corporate is thumbsucking these numbers. But little do you know that you might have a leaking toilet. With this technology, it remains locked and it waits for you to return. Upon your return, you unlock, and then the cycle continues. So you save water for the 19 days that you would have been gone, only losing that water once because it has detected the leak, which would be your indicator that you have a problem, and therefore you can attend to that problem.
Okay, so let's go back to you've got this one type of toilet, so not everybody's got the same type of toilet. What else have you got? I mean, you apply the same principles.
Yes, we have this product in different designs and for different toilet designs as well. For argument's sake, we can even give this one as one of the models. You just retrofit it onto this model. Okay, so what you do is, once you have retrofitted this piece over here, same principle. The water would come in, the water level would rise, and it would lock. And when you flush, it would unlock. Same principle: lock, unlock, unlock. We also have another model. We have such what we would call inlet valves. So the water bottom inlet valve, the water would come in from the bottom, and this part over here, it serves the same function as the ball float, which is this orange ball over here. So in the instance of a leak, it actually fluctuates, it keeps fluctuating. So over here we have another retrofittable leakless valve. So what we do is we detach, we unscrew, we then attach the leakless valve, and we screw back on the cap. We align the cap to the leakless valve. We then adjust the float to the leakless valve. We attach again, and then the same principle: lock, unlock, lock, unlock.
Okay.
So the difference between this and without the leakless valve is the 70% or up to 70% water saving.
Oh, brilliant, brilliant.
Not
Okay.
to mention the money.
Oh, of course. So, all right, brilliant. This is you're saying this is a South African product?
Yes,
Yep.
this is a proudly South African patented technology.
Okay, so who's the inventor of this?
You are looking at the inventor. Paseka Lesolang is the inventor. Yours truly is the inventor of this
Wonderful.
technology.
And so where can we get it?
We are currently working with a retailer, nationwide retailer, so it's coming to a store near you.
Okay.
We're just going through the retail protocol, you know, the getting of the barcode, the testing for your certification, warranty purposes, but it's
Okay,
coming to a
awesome.
store near you. Needless to say, you can also get it through us. You
Okay.
can literally contact us. Our website
Okay.
is www.whcsolutions.co.za.
Okay. Wait. So how much does this cost?
We are looking at $249 for a single unit. It's
Wait,
exclusive.
hang on. The 249, is it for the whole thing, or is it the attachment? What are we paying for?
For the $249 is literally for this component over here.
Okay.
This
so,
white component. This is the leakless valve,
All right.
retrofittable. So
Okay, let me see this. I see this your little
Yes.
logo as well. Okay, and it says what's WHC?
WHC stands for Water Hygiene Convenience.
Okay.
I'm the founder and CEO of WHC. We are a water management solutions company. So this is one of our benchmark technologies among other services that we provide.
Awesome. Okay, so and so each different type of toilet you've got a version for that we can then just by ourselves install and and off you go for $249
Absolutely.
and
that's
save thousands of rands
absolutely
a month.
Indeed. It
Oh.
pays for itself within a matter of months, or depending on the size of the leak, it could be shorter than that.
All right.
And as far as capacity is concerned, our main focus right now is on these retrofits.
Okay. Yeah.
We can manufacture these 18,000 units per month. As for the other units, our capacity is a bit low because we haven't found the buy-in. Remember, as a manufacturer of products, economies of scale play a part. So
Somebody tells me I must make this full screen. I don't know how to do this full screen, but well, this is for. But anyway, so I'm getting comments, by the way, and
really?
and my friend Zay Dante says, "Brilliant, well done, brother."
Thank you.
And Pat van der Lootsrecht, a former colleague of mine from Sasol, says super awesome.
yes.
And she's proudly South African.
And I should mention that our factory is sponsored by Sasol. So
Oh.
gratitude to Sasol.
Okay,
Yes.
wonderful, and so Patsy is also considering our water challenges. This is great.
I
Awesome.
would love to save the country water. It's a passion.
Absolutely,
of ours.
absolutely. I think we need to talk more about it. This video hopefully will be shared and saved, and we will be in touch. So, what you said? How much?
249.
249.
Yes.
Okay.
My email is paseka at whcsolutions.co.za.
Okay.
We can take it from there as well.
To show again quickly, what is the actual product?
The actual product, the one that we are currently manufacturing in mass, is this particular one here, which we retrofit onto the boat float. We also have it for the bottom inlet as well. So the one that the water comes in from the bottom. So this one is to demonstrate from the side. So this is what's in the market. And this is what we are proposing. Lock, unlock, lock, unlock.
Awesome.
Okay.
Well,
Then
Zaid says this is a must-have product. Please share details. Okay, you've done that already.
Yes.
Okay, we'll add it again on a different occasion. But just say it one more time.
our website is www.whcsolutions.co.za.
Okay.
Okay.
Telephone number is your number?
My cell phone number. I'm also available on WhatsApp on this number. It's 076 772 4596. And my email address is mentioned once again. It's paseka at whcsolutions.co.za.
Great. Thanks, Paseka. Wonderful to have met you and also to see your product. I hope to hear more from you, and we'll chat again.
Thank you very much for the opportunity, Zaid. I highly appreciate your belief in my solution, and I look forward to saving you and the country water and money that is used to pay for this.
Wonderful. Thanks, and until we meet again.
Absolutely.
This is me, Zaid, signing out.